Cadet of 7th Telangana Girls Battalion, Hyderabad Group, under the training of Major K. Padmaja Madam from St. Martin's Group of Institution. The reason for this is we the cadets of 7th Telangana Girls Battalion are working as volunteers of COVID-19. COVID-19, coronavirus in 2019. Coronavirus are a group of viruses that causes diseases in mammals, birds and also human beings. Since the December in Wuhan, China, the new coronavirus has spread rapidly with more than 1 million confirmed cases in world as early of April. According to CDT, the virus that causes the disease known as COVID-19 seems to be spreading in geographical areas. Coronavirus pandemic in India. The first case of coronavirus pandemic in India was 30th Jan 2020, originating from China. As of 24th April 2020, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare confirmed a total number of cases are 23,452 cases and nearly 4,900 recoveries and 273 deaths in country. Now I am going to show the graph between India and other countries. This is a plot in event time. X-axis shows days since first case of COVID-19 and Y-axis explains number of cases. Here each country show each color in the graph. Compared to all developed countries, our India has less percent of corona cases. There is no vaccine for coronavirus. The only way is lockdown of country, and it is already implemented by our government of India. The way to prevent from coronavirus is stay home, stay safe, stay hygiene.
I'm going to share some few information about COVID-19. So here we go. Coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with a COVID-19 virus will experience a mild moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatments. Older people and other kids and those with underlying moderate problems like other diseases, diabetics and clinical respiratory disease and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The best way to prevent and slow down the transmissions is be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, the disease is caused and how it spreads. So, protect yourself and others from infected by washing your hands by using alcohol-based rub. Frequently not touching your face. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through the droplets of saliva or a discharge from the nose when an affected person coughs or sneezes. So it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquettes from COVID-19. For example, by coughing into a flexed elbow. At this time, there are no specific vaccines or treatments for COVID-19. However, there are many ongoing clinical trials revolving potential treatments. We will continue to provide update information as soon as clinical finding becomes available. So here I am going to say about some few precautions about COVID-19. So to prevent infection and to slow transmission of COVID-19, do the following. Wash your hands regularly with the soap and water or clean them with an alcohol-based sanitizer. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people coughing or sneezing. Those people cough or sneeze. Avoid touching your face without washing your hands after going out. Cover your mouth or your nose with the people who cough or sneeze with the mask. Stay home if you feel unwell.
Today I am going to say you about the precautions over COVID-19. Here are the measures you need to keep the virus away. Avoid close contact with the people who are sick. Maintain at least 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Stay home when you are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue paper and dispose the tissue safely. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects or surfaces used by a regular household cleaning sprays. Wearing a mask is not necessary unless you are taking care of an infected person. The Centers for Disease Control does recommend that only the infected persons can wear the masks to prevent from the spread of virus. Wash your hands often with a soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Especially after going to the washrooms and before eating and after blowing the nose and or coughing or sneezing. If soaps are not readily available, use the alcohol-based hand sanitizer. It should be at least 60% of an alcohol. Wash your hands often when they look so visibly dirty. Keep in mind the travel advisory set out by the Ministry of Health and Welfare. If you are suffering with a fever or a cough or breathing problems, seek medical attention immediately. Thank you.
Need to know about washing your hands to protect from coronavirus COVID-19. Washing your hands can protect you and your loved ones. Respiratory virus like corona disease COVID-19 spread when droplets containing the virus get into our body through our eyes, nose or throat. Most often this happens through our hands. Hands are also one of the most common ways that the virus spreads from one person to next person. So I am going to show you how to wash our hands. This is how we need to wash our hands during the coronavirus.
This is Cadet Jyoti Kumari. Today I am going to tell about coronavirus COVID-19. If you get COVID-19, don't be panic. First of all, make sure that keep yourself home quarantine and keep your surroundings neat and clean and sanitized, and make sure that you have to wear mask, and after the use of mask, please throw it in a dustbin so that it could not spread over all the surroundings. And make sure that your friends and families should leave the supplies outside the door so that they can avoid the contact between you and them. If you're not aware of cleaning and disinfection, let me tell you about the differences between disinfection and cleaning. Disinfection means removing using chemicals kill the germs on the surfaces, and cleaning means physically removing the organic matter like such as dirt from the surfaces. Cleaning and disinfection is very important to keep your surroundings neat and clean. To avoid the COVID-19, please follow some recommendations. First, just make social distancing between you and them. Second, keep your hands washing for 2 minutes oftenly, and keep yourself health hygiene. Stay home, stay safe.
Finally, we all the cadets request you to follow the guidelines given by the government and take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe, stay hygiene. Jai Hind!